Let's make chicken Kiev. Start out with about 5 slices of bacon. Cut that into half-inch pieces and saute in 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium-low until browned. You want to render this fat out slowly. That's going to give you a lot of the flavor for the greens. Once that bacon is browned, remove it and drain it on a paper towel. Now we're going to add about 4 to 6 cups of sliced collard greens and about a tablespoon of salt to the pan with the bacon grease. Add 4 cups of water, turn the heat up to medium-high, cover it partially, and let simmer for at least 30 minutes. Now, place the chicken breast in plastic wrap. You want to pound that to about 1/4 inch thick. I massacred mine with a meat tenderizer. I suggest using a rolling pin, something a little more gentle. Once you got it pounded out, cut each breast in half lengthwise. Chop some fresh herbs and a few cloves of garlic. I used parsley because it's what I had in my garden. Basil and thyme are also good options. Now take your finely chopped herbs and garlic, place that in the chicken breast with a tablespoon of butter. You're going to want to roll it up kind of like a burrito, pulling the sides over the middle first and then rolling it top to bottom. Secure that down with toothpicks, coat lightly in flour, and refrigerate for at least 15 minutes. During this time, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The greens should now be tender. Go ahead and reduce them to low and just put the lid on. Now, in a skillet, let's add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and heat it until it just begins to smoke. We're going to add our chicken in there. We're going to brown it on all sides. I did about 3 minutes per side. Now we're going to remove those, place them on a foil-lined baking sheet, and place it in the oven until we're ready to serve it. Now we want to deglaze that chicken pan with about a cup of white wine. Make sure you get all the brown bits off the bottom. That's the flavor. Reduce on medium heat until thickened. If you need to, add a little bit of extra flour to thicken it, or butter if you need it to be thinner. Now we're ready to plate. Drain the greens thoroughly and add some of those brown bacon bits on top. I had rice with mine. Pasta or potatoes or anything starchy would also be a good option. And then just spoon that sauce over the chicken, add a fresh garnish, and you're ready to serve.